This is the road leading from Premier Layout, from Goshen Estates, leading out towards New Haven. We're actually driving from Premier Layout to New Haven in this video. This is that new Artisan roundabout. You can see all the people around here. So we're driving towards New Haven through Nza Street, and on this video today we are showing you what the road looks like from Premier Layout to New Haven. We're actually driving to New Haven extension, so we thought to just bring you along, right? So the road on the right comes from Abakaliki Road, NNPC depot. The one on the left goes to Enugu Port Harcourt Express, and this is Sylvia Hotel to the left there, and Sam's Hotel also to the left. This road straight down leads to Brown and Brown, which connects UNICEF and then connects WAEC to the left. Meanwhile, the left road leads to Toscana Hotel, and also connects WAEC. But we turned right. This right road this is Independence Layout, so we're driving towards New Haven. This road leads to Nza Street, and Nza Street, straight after Nza Street, Government House. However, we're not going to get to the Government House road. We will just turn to New Haven. I guess you're enjoying this video. If you're enjoying it already, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, alright, and share this video with other people that are interested in seeing around Enugu. And please turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so that you can know whenever we release fantastic videos like this. We also release real estate videos for the city of Enugu and then Southeast in general. Of course, we sell highly profitable and secure properties, lands and houses right here in Enugu, in Owerri, in Awka, in abakaliki, and in any other southeastern city that interests you. See how calm and serene Enugu is, right? Enugu is a beautiful place. Okay, so we're heading towards Nza. I think we've connected Nza Street now. This is Best Western Plus Hotel to the right there, and just beside it is Carlton Suites Hotel. Carlton Suites Hotel is a new hotel as well. This is a beautiful hotel. Then after Carlton Suites is Bush Bar. This is the junction. So this is Bush Bar. If you know Bush Bar, of course, straight down this road leads to Government House, but we're taking right because we are heading towards New Haven. That road there leads to Government House. We're going towards New Haven. If you've not eaten fish in Bush Bar, please, when next you're in Enugu, let me know so that you can take us there and we eat some point and kill fish. So this is a car wash. I think this junction, this road, is the major demarcation between New Haven and Independence Layout from this axis. I hope you're enjoying this video. Please let me know in the comment section if there is any other place within Enugu you will want to see. Of course, we're going to make our time and go. We already have some requests from people, but our primary goal on this channel is to show you how fast developing Enugu is so that you can consider coming to invest in Enugu. Of course, buy a house or buy property, a land, or start up a business, because this is one of the fastest growing cities in Nigeria. So we are connecting New Haven through New Haven Primary School. Is a popular primary school, within Enugu. So this road we're linking up to is called Chime Avenue, New Haven. To the left is Lower Chime, to the right is Upper Chime. So we're heading to Upper Chime because Upper Chime leads to New Haven Extension. Of course, we're actually driving to New Haven Extension and thought to bring you this video. This is New Haven Primary School to the right there, after which is St. Molumba's Catholic Church, one of the biggest Catholic churches around New Haven here. So we're heading down towards the end of this Chime Avenue, and then we're going to connect New Haven Extension. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always watching my videos and for supporting me. Thank you so much. I'm gonna end it here, and then you just watch the rest of the video and enjoy the view of New Haven and Enugu in general. Till I come your way next time, enjoy a fantastic day and bye for now.